Today we will learn how to install Altezza taillights for a 2003 to 2006 Chevy Silverado truck.
Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation.
We will begin by removing the two screws located inside of the tailgate. We can start by removing the bottom or top screw, then continuing on to the second one. Close the back part of the lights. Then remove the sockets one at a time by turning them slightly counterclockwise and pulling them out. Because the taillight sockets and wires are slightly short, simply cut the electrical tape holding the bunch together to give it more slack. Be careful not to cut into your wires while doing so. Grab one of the new taillights and start replacing back the sockets to the correct holes by turning them slightly clockwise to lock the sockets into place. Once completed, you can bundle the wires again and use some electrical tape so that the wires are not loose. Gently replace the new taillights in the original spot and replace the two screws removed from earlier. Test the parking lights, the brake lights, the turn signals, and the reverse lights. Your installation is now complete. Do the same for the other side.
Thank you for choosing K2 Motor Videos to assist you. Please visit K2 Motor for more products.